So here's how we can remove band from the Apple Watch. So this applies to every Apple Watch model. And before we get started, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next tutorials. Essentially, you need to flip the Apple Watch over and check out the small buttons next to the connection of the band. You know, these are like kind of thin, small looking buttons. They are hard to press and you can only press them with your fingernail most likely. So essentially, this is how it needs to be done. You press it like that, and once it's pressed, make sure you hold down on it. You need then kind of slide out the side of the band. So it's pretty simple. You know, it just like releases the clips of the band. You're gonna slide it out to each side, and then you basically remove the band. You need to repeat the same steps for the one connected on the other side of the watch. But once you do, then you essentially removed it. In order to install a brand new one, you don't need to press the button anymore. You just slide it right in and it should click. Again, no button needs to be pressed or anything, and the new band will then be installed. So let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future videos.